Hello friends, and welcome back to another tech tips video with me, Callie. As you can see from the title of the video, we are talking about how to set up sound alerts with channel points on your Twitch channel, so that way you can improve engagement and get those chatters doing more things. So, the first thing you want to do is go to your Twitch dashboard, go down to extensions, and you're going to search for sound alerts. Now I already have it installed, but you would click here and install it. Now, on my extensions page, you can see that I already have it here. I'm going to click this configure button. This is very important. It takes some setup on the front end. So you take that, open your sound alerts dashboard, and it brings up a window kind of like this. It's going to ask you to link your Twitch to your sound alerts account. So allow it to do that. Once you've done that though, you're going to want to go down to settings and go to setup. Now it will tell you what to do depending on which thing you use. Obviously I use Streamlabs OBS. So it's going to tell you to create a new browser source. Now I'm not going to click this, but you could just copy it. So, we got it copied. Now, we go to Streamlabs. Hello, lots of Callies. And you're gonna go here, under Sources, add a new source, add browser source, add source. Now, I recommend that you call it Sound Alerts. And hit add. I'm gonna put mine as Sound Alerts too. Just so that way we could all see it. I don't want to show you guys the URL. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to put this on the screen where you want it. I like having my stuff kind of in the middle, upper, top. And I usually right click, transform, central horizontal. That's about where I like to put my stuff. So once you've done that, you're going to check the control audio via OBS. It'll put a thing over here where you can make it quieter or louder, and then it'll change the audio volume from there. Highly recommend doing that. So you would paste your browser source here, hit OK, then you're done. Pretty simple. Now that I've already got this, I already have mine set up. So we're going to go here, and we're going to show you what it does. So we're going to go to Sounds. Oh, sorry, missed something. General Settings. The bottom, you want to enable your channel points button here. I recommend doing all this stuff. Set up all the things here. Under setup, overlay alert, you could change the color. I like the light blue, it matches my overlay. You can set the animation for as long as you want. Okay. So, first thing we're gonna do here is you're gonna click play alert. I probably should have seen if I have that sound alerts. Yes, it's on recording. So one extra feature, bonus tip from Callie, you can make things visible on both stream and recording if you want. So I could click this, and now it's just visible on the stream, so if I'm doing a recording at the same time it won't show up. This is only going to show up on the recording, and this is going to do both. Extra tip for free from Callie today. Okay, so we're going to test one of these out, go to channel points. Now, you're going to notice it's going to take some time to do this. So you have to go to library and search for things that you want to have added. Okay? Like, let's say you want John Cena, and you like this one, so you could just...
And his name is John Cena!
So let's say you like that one. You can add that sound either to an extension, where the people could pay bits, you know, 0 or higher. And channel points, you can only have 5. But yeah, you can set the channel points requirement, the name. There you go. Alright. So, back to here. Once you have gone through and searched and picked a bunch of sounds, you can also upload your own sounds. I did that with my Deoxyravos track, a minute of that. You can see here. Now, it's going to let you set your points. This one's pretty popular. I want new people, when they hit follow, to be able to do this instantaneously. This one's pretty popular, as is the Navi. The other three just depends. I'm probably going to work on changing these a bit, but show you what it does. You're gonna play alert, play an OBS browser source.
Hello there.
And then you get to see that. It says hello there. It says who did it, what they did. I'll also go through the other ones here. So you're gonna see the effect put on your screen. You can obviously make this larger or smaller as you deem necessary. I like the size it is there. A lot of my viewers watch on mobile phones, so I want them to be able to see their alert as well. My kitty cat wants to participate. So here's this one. Now, if you don't want it to show in the browser source, if you just want to hear the sound, you just hear play on this page. And that works there. And that's all there is to it. Find the sound you want. I've got, as you see, I've got a 200-bit item for the Pokemon theme song. People could play the whole thing if they want. We got air horns. We got so many things. So many things. Yep, so I really think this is a great add-on. I highly recommend that you use this for your stream. I think it will really improve engagement. People really like it because they could spend channel points, which if they're watching you, they have tons of, to do sounds on your stream. And it does not cost them money. And if you want, you can make more of them, not cost money here. It's 100% up to you. I set mine to 10 bits. I'm not a huge channel yet, so for now, people don't mind spending that from time to time, so that's it for me, team. Pretty straightforward, pretty useful though. So I do want to show just real quick what it would look like with my overlay, which is why I said the colors matter. So we're gonna go here. This way you could all see what I mean, that the colors match my overlay. Come on, Callie, you could do the thing. All right, play source.
Hello there.
See, it's the light blue, kind of matches. So just please keep that in mind when you are working on all of your things, that you want to try to get it to match the rest of your overlay. There's lots of different colors that you could do. So thank you all for watching. This has been Callie with another Stream Tech video. Consider following me on twitch.tv/CallieChronicles. I stream like 6 to 7 days a week, always playing stuff. Lots of stuff. Riot games, RPGs, Metroidvanias, you name it. For now, that's it for me. I will see you all next time. Bye for now.